Pocket Predator by Bill Hayes. Custom. Floating match. Let's test it out. Can't get that thing to stop moving. I don't want a moving match right now. I just want to shoot a still match. A little bit too much. Broke the match. Now that would be a good shot if I could hit that thing spinning like that. Not today. Just a standing still one. Maybe a little movement. See, without that resistance, it's hard. It seemed like a nice strike, but just not enough. There it is. Yeah. Got it. Oh, man. I don't know if that was in. Yeah, I don't hope you can see it swinging around on fire. Anyway, Bill Hayes says this would light matches. He wasn't kidding. This is a custom from Bill. It's a little different than all the others. I like experimenting, trying different grips. This here, as you can see, he put some material on it. So for me, that feels better in the hand. I keep the hand real loose. I use a lanyard. You can can see my burnt match. And use a lanyard. Make sure the forks sit nice. Thing I learned with these wider grip slingshots is to go easy. Don't grip them. Just let them sit. Let it settle in the hand, and it'll do its thing. So another big thumbs up for another custom from Bill. I love it. Thanks a lot, Bill. That's all I got. Thank you.